So the only thing I would look for just for me is just like Tenpai stuff, and then may hopefully quarter century, but you know there's no guarantee on those things. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead open from the left side. Okay. Should I do from like, huh? Nah, it's fine. So, Maiden of the Millennium Moon. All right, I like the art. Finn Smith's Lacrima. Interdimensional Matter Forwarder. DPH Gendamore is a tuner and cybers. Oh, look at that. Mimighoul Master. Wow. And we were just talking about it. There we go. The art is pretty cool. I like how goofy it is. Oh, I love it. I love it. Got a Valmonica creation. Broomy. Guardian of the Voiceless Voice. And Dragon's Light and Darkness. That's cool. First pack. I pulled this card. Love it. Love it. Whoa. Alright. We have Depress Pard. I think that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, Madosh the Dessert. Meteoroa Drytron. Gimmick Puppet Rogue Daw. And we have the Quebico. I think that's how you pronounce it. Got Zapper Shrimp. Volmina. Statue of the Sacred Dragon. That's pretty cool. I like the design of the dragon. Madash Mini Meow Caroons. That's cute. And we have Drytron New 2. Okay. Another Gimmick Puppet Cattle Scream. We have Rusia of the White Forests. We have the Aerial Eater. Fiend Reflection of the Millennium. Oh, another Illusion Monster. We got another Gimmick Mimighoul Cerberus. Alright. Imagine I literally pull a bunch of these cards. We have the Necroquip Princess. Gimmick Puppet Little Soldiers. Mansion of the Dreadful Dolls. And Trap Gatherer. Oh, Super Poly? Yeah, I mean, no wonder the price is kind of going up. Or relatively higher. We have the Emblema Salvation. This is for Centurion. Hold on, just need that focus. There we go. Paralyzing Mushrooms. Cool. The League of Uniform Nomenclature Strikes. This P Fiend. Oh, no way! Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. No way. Whoa, baby! Bro. Did I just pull this bad boy? Oh my lord. That is crazy. Dude, she's like $35, $36. Oh my god. Dude, this is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm kidding. That is hilarious. This is cool though. Alright. Kochobo's Hinamatsuri. It's a machine. That's a machine? Huh. We have Knight Armed Dragon. The Armed Knight Dragon. The Armored Knight Dragon. Yeah, they got lazy with the name now. Light and Sublimation Dragon. And Cosmic Tree Missile. Alright. It's a beefy one. Alright. Fiendsmith Sanct. Memen Totlan Sleepy. Cosmo Queen, the Queen of Prayers. DPH Genamore. Oh, got a Varar, Valmonican Concord. Oh, Dora. I mean, I just need one, I guess. Vesper Girsu. Dark and Evaporation Dragon. Nice. Whoa, that looks... I thought it was... For some reason, I thought it was some kind of like elemental hero because of the look. But no, it's just a Blazing Bombardment Beasts. Okay. Paralyzing Mushroom. Another Rusia of the White Forest. Aerial Eater, again. Service Puppet Play. Ooh. Memento Mictlan, the Creation King. Whatever this thing is. Yeah, it's literally this big-ass monster. Dude, this kind of reminds me of a boss monster. It's literally a boss monster. That is crazy. That's 10. Hell yeah. Sangen Kaiho. I think I need that card. Moon of the Closed Heaven. Nice. And his generic monster. Great. Sylvia of the White Forests. Bitten Bat. We have Ragnarika Selene Snapper. Another Maiden of the Millennium Moon. Very nice, very nice. We got what we got. We got a first, well, not really first, but another Ultra. So it's kind of hard to see because of the rarity. This a Blaster, the Negation Fortress. 3-in-1, just clapping your own cheek. Another Broomy, Madosh Mini Meow Karoons. And Cosmic Tree Imsteel. Alright. So we have the Golem that guards the Millennium Treasures. The Meteor Drytron. Cosmo Queen of Prayers. Paralyzing Mushroom. And we have Beware the White Forest. Gimmick Puppet Little Soldiers. Knight Armed Dragon, the Armor Knight Dragon. You know, I'm getting tired that Konami's really get lazy with names. They put like two words, same words in the same name. It's really, they got really lazy. Light and Sublimation Dragon. Zapper Shrimp. Alright. We have Interdimensional Matter Forwarder. Depress Pard. Memento Sleepy. Wolves of the White Forests. Okay, another Mimi Ghoul. Archfiend. Alright. You have things going on in there. That's 10. Dragon's Light and Darkness. Moon of the Closed Heaven. And Drytron New 2. DPH Gendamore. Another Lucia of the White Forests. Gimmick Puppet Cattle Scream. We have the Emblema Salvation. And what we got? Oh! Got Finsmith's Track. It's a secret rare. Ooh, love it. Lovely, lovely secret rare. Look at how shiny it is. Wow, that's like 12 bucks. Sweet baby Jesus. Necroquip Princess. Dark End Evaporation Dragon. Dora Dora. And Guardian of the Voiceless Voice. Fiend Reflection of the Millennium. Got birds. Fiendsmith's Sanct. Golem that guards the Millennium Treasures. Service Puppet Play. Lord of the Missing Barrels. Wow. We have the Blazing Bomberment Beasts. Mansion of the Dreadful Dolls. Valmonica Creation. And another one of this Hinamatsuri. It's a... I think this is for the XZ machine stuff. Ragnarika Slain Snapper. Wolves of the White Forest. Betan Bat. Fiendsmith Sequence. What we got? Fiendsmith Desiree. I think that's how you pronounce it. Desiree. Indeed. We have the Desper Girsu. Sangen Kaiho. Trap Gatherer. And Valmina Statue of the Sacred Dragon. That's pretty cool for the first side. Alright. We have Madosh Desert. Fiendsmith Sequence. Aerial Eater. The League of Uniform Nomenclature Strikes. Oh my god, not a secret. That was like the top pack. Bruh. Oh golly. 3-in-1. Broomy. Madosh Mini Mouse Carones. And Cosmo Tree. I might get the money back. It's maybe, or kind of close to it. Unless I pull another crazy ones. Or I pull another freaking quarter century. That would be great. That's like probably more than what I make. The League of Uniform Nomenclature Strikes. Fiend Reflection of the Millennium. Fiendsmith Sanct. What we got? Mimighoul's Room. Okay. Blazing Bombardment Beasts. Dark End Evaporation Dragon. Trap Gatherer. And the Kitties. Betam Bat. We got the receipt. I mean, unless I pull a really good amount of these cards, but, you know, White Forest deck, which I don't know. We have the Madosh Desert. Fiendsmith's Lacrima. Lacrima. Oh, I got another Valmonican Concord. Jesus Christ. Necroquip Princess. We have the Sacred Dragon. And the Cosmic Tree. Another Moon of the Closed Heaven. I think I made a playset of this card now. So we have the Rogdoll, Fiendsmith Sequence. Another Gimmick Puppet Cattle Scream. Aerial Eater. We have have I seen this before? Colloidal Soul? Huh? What? Vesper Girsu. Gimmick Puppet Little Soldiers. Sylvie of the White Forests. And Broomy. It's like, I have an idea. I'm gonna build around the Broomy. This Fiendsmith Lacrima. Service Puppet Play. What we got? Fiend Smith in Paradise. Alright. The art is pretty cool. Not bad. Mention of the Dreadful Dolls. Valmonica Creation. Another Dora Dora. Guardian of the Voiceless Voice. Welsh Dessert. Sequence. Aerial Eater. Nomenclature Strikes. Centurion Atri. Got the Hinamatsuri. We have the Sublimation Dragon. That's 10. And Sylvie. The Press Pard. Finsmith Sanct. Meteor Drytron. Betumbat. And Gimmick Puppet Fantastics Machinks. There we go. That's pretty cool. Sylvie. 3-in-1. Sangan Kaiho. Blazing Bombardment Beasts. Cool. Alright. We got a couple more packs to go. Fiendsmith Sequence. We have the Fiend Reflection of the Millennium. We have the Maiden of the Millennium Moon. Gimmick Puppet Cattle Screen. And what we got? What we got? Another Gimmick Puppet. So CXZ Oh, okay. Interesting. Got Sacred Dragon. Valmonica Creation. Girsu. That's 10. So I got 4 more packs. Emblema Salvation. Sleepy. Wolves of the White Forest. I don't think I'll get the other White Forest monster, but what the? Another one? What the? Okay. I prefer quarter century, but wow, okay. I got another one of these. Whoa. Oh, that's pretty crazy. Drytron, Trap Gatherer, the Armed Knight, Moon. Woof! Bro. This P-Fiend. We have the Drytron, DPH, Desprepard, and... Oh, here's another Mimigold Dragon. Wow. Zapper Shrimp, Necroquip, Little Soldier, and Mention. We have the Service Puppet Play, Emblema Salvation, the Maiden of the Millennium Moon, Ragnarika Celine Snapper. Can we do from the other side, see if I can get something? No, it's just the Wicked Butterfly. I think this is the first time pulling her. I mean, it's fine. The Mimi, the Cat, Dora Dora, Dragon's Light and Darkness, and 3-in-1. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, last pack. Here we go. I feel like I should have got another box and not buying one piece. Damn it, I didn't think about that. Okay. We have the Paralyzing Mushroom. Cosmo Queen, the Queen of Prayers. We have the Sleepy. Interdimensional Matter Forwarder. Oh, we got the next card. What is this? Okay. Oh, it's an Ultra. Oh, let's freaking go. Wow, of last pack. Literally gave me what I'm looking for. Okay, okay. Okay, you heard me. You heard my requests. All right. Thank you, thank you. So rest of these, the same thing. All right, that's cool. Bro, I'm glad. I think I'm happy about this set.